Tesla CEO Elon Musk exhibited Model S Plaid, the electric car manufacturer's fastest vehicle to date, amid much fanfare at an event for buyers at the company's factory in Fremont, California late Thursday. The company aims to reignite interest in the nearly decade-old sedan and stave off rivals such as Mercedes-Benz, Porsche, and Lucid Motors in the luxury EV market. The event was closely followed the world over. Backing the top-notch performance capabilities for Model S Plaid, Elon Musk also focused on the role the vehicle is likely to play in Tesla's product line. IDBI Bank customers will have to pay ₹5 per check leaf beyond 20 free leaves per year under the revised charges from next month. Currently, customers can access as many as 60 check leaves without any charges in a year in the first year of account opening and 50 leaves in all the subsequent years. Beyond these, one has to pay ₹5 per leaf. Introducing the revision of services in savings bank accounts, the lender in a notice said the free transaction limits and lock discounts offered to individual savings bank customers are being revised from July 1st, 2021. The State Bank of India on Friday introduced a collateral-free loan called Kavach Personal Loan for its customers facing financial stress due to COVID-19 treatment-related expenditures. The state-run lender under the scheme is providing collateral-free personal loans of up to ₹5 lakh at an 8.5% annual interest rate aimed at helping customers meet medical expenses of self and family members for COVID-19 treatment. The Kavach Personal Loan will also be part of the COVID-19 loan book being created by banks in line with RBI's COVID relief measures, SBI further noted. Wipro chief Thierry Delaporte drew $8.8 million as salary in FY21, showed regulatory filings. This makes him the highest paid CEO in IT compared to his peers at rival companies such as Infosys and TCS. The compensation of Delaporte, who became Wipro CEO on July 6, 2020, comprised a one-time cash award and stock grants, which increased his earnings for the year as per the company statement to the US Securities and Exchange Commission.